You've been broke the same way for 3 years. Same paycheck. Same anxiety. Same, I'll deal with it later energy every time you open your banking app. What if I told you that 30 minutes once a week could completely flip that script? Not a miracle. Not a scheme. A system. And today I'm giving you the whole thing. You're watching M Cubed, Money Mindset Makeover. This isn't just a channel, it's a mindset revolution. Subscribe to elevate your money mindset, elevate your life, and stick around. Because today, we're cracking the blueprint that can take you from broke to baller. No fluff. No filler. Just a dead simple weekly money routine that the financially intentional actually use, and most people have never heard of. We're breaking it down step by step, and I've got the stats to back it up. But I promise, it won't feel like a boring finance lecture. Let's get into it. The Federal Reserve's 2023 report on economic well-being found that 1 in 3 adults under 35 would struggle to cover a $400 emergency. But here's the thing, even inside a rigged system, there are people winning. And it's not because they make more, it's because they manage better. Have you or someone you know ever felt totally out of control with money? Drop your story in the comments. Your experience might help someone else avoid losing their hard-earned cash. And hey, if this is hitting home, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Okay, so what do wealthy people actually do differently? They don't guess. They don't react. They manage money with intention, on a schedule, and studies back this up. A 2023 Charles Schwab survey found that people who maintain a written financial plan are twice as confident about their finances and save more. Twice as confident. Now hold on, because this part matters. I'm not talking about some elaborate 3-hour budgeting marathon. I'm talking about a focused 30-minute weekly ritual. Think of it like a gym session for your bank account. Skip it for a week? Fine. Skip it for a month? You're going to feel it. Here's the 4-step weekly money routine, your M Cubed blueprint. Step 1. Review your spending, 5 to 10 minutes. Open your bank app or budgeting tool. Mint, YNAB, even a basic spreadsheet works. And answer one question. Where did my money actually go this week? No judgment or shame spiral here, just data. According to NerdWallet, the average American spends $1,497 per month on non-essential discretionary purchases. That's nearly $18,000 a year on stuff that didn't make it onto any plan. Reviewing is how you catch the leaks before they become floods. That random $14.99 subscription you forgot about? The Uber Eats splurge on a Tuesday at midnight because you were tired and hungry? Found. Flagged. Fixed. Step 2, adjust your budget, 10-minute. This isn't about punishing yourself for last week. It's about fixing the leaks and reallocating money toward what actually matters to you. Overspent on food delivery? Trim it by 20% next week. Underspent on gas? Move that money to your emergency fund or your investment account. A budget isn't a jail, it's a GPS. And sometimes GPS recalculates. The M Cubed budget pillar is all about this, making your money work a second job for you, not constraining you, directing you. Step 3, plan upcoming expenses, 5 to 10 minutes. Look ahead at your week. Landscape season has you buying mulch and a tree? Best friend's birthday dinner Saturday? Oil change due this month? This step is what separates the financially reactive from the financially intentional. Research from the National Foundation for Credit Counseling shows that people who anticipate upcoming expenses are significantly less likely to carry revolving credit card debt, because they're not getting blindsided. Think about it like this. A pilot doesn't take off without checking the weather. Why would you start a new week without checking your financial forecast? Step 4, check your goals, 5 minutes. Are you moving forward or stuck in neutral? Whether it's building a $1,000 emergency fund, paying off a credit card, stacking money for a trip, or putting $25 a week into an index fund, this check-in keeps your goals alive. According to Fidelity, people who track their savings goals monthly are 83% more likely to hit them. The M Cubed pillars, save, invest, earn, budget, all feed this moment. This is the scoreboard. And you can't win a game you're not watching. Here's the real twist, and I need you to hear this. Becoming financially free isn't about earning more. It's about building systems that work while you sleep, and then protecting those systems with your attention. Jeff Bezos checks his financial systems. Warren Buffett checks his. Your favorite influencer's accountant checks theirs every week. The only person who doesn't check? The person who stays broke. This weekly routine isn't just about money. It's about respect. Respect for the work you put in, the hours you traded for that paycheck, the future version of you who deserves options. A study published in the Journal of Financial Planning found that individuals who regularly review their financial situation report lower financial stress and higher life satisfaction. Lower stress, higher satisfaction from a 30-minute habit. This is where broke ends and ownership begins. If you're feeling this right now, stop scrolling. Unsubscribe from broke and become the CEO of your life. Starting today. All right, M-Cubed fam, let's land this plane. The weekly money routine that changes everything is 4 steps. 1. Review your spending. Know where every dollar went. 2. Adjust your budget. Fix the leaks. Reallocate with purpose. 3. Plan upcoming expenses. Stay ahead of the curve, not behind it. 4. Check your goals. Keep score. Celebrate the progress. Adjust the plan. 30 minutes once a week. That's all it takes to stop reacting and start leading your financial life. You're not waiting on a raise. You're not waiting on a stimulus check. You're not waiting on someone to save you. You're an M-Cubed maverick. And we move differently. And stick around for the next video popping up right now. Side hustles that actually make money in 2026. I know it'll be a blessing to your life, M-Cubed fam. See you there.